All right, so that's the original, and these are the LED lights. They look more brighter. I'll go ahead and replace them right now. You just gotta take off the little black cap. One right here, little rubber thing, that thing right here. And then you gotta take out the light on the back right here. You gotta put your hand in there, you gotta screw it off. Like that. It pops out. Take it off the connector, get the new LED. Make sure to not touch that part. You can touch these like this, but don't touch that part. Take this, put that in there. You put it back the same way you took the other one out. You just put it in and then you screw it. Yeah, so they would have charged me $70 to install it, and this is getting installed literally less than like 5 minutes. Then you push the cables back into the compartment there. You get the rubber cap, and you put it back on. And once the rubber things are on there, nice and snug, it's all good. Let's go ahead and unlock the truck. Look at that, we have LED lights that quick. These are the 1320 Performance Advanced German Technology LED lights. They had other ones for 20 watts, but these are 40 watt ones, so a little brighter. So when I had got these, because the OEM ones were like more yellowish color and they weren't as bright, and I wanted something that would be more bright, so I went with the LEDs, and definitely made a huge difference, literally night and day difference. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like down below, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.